In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bell curve in Microsoft Excel. First, open your Excel workbook and head to the sheet that contains your data. You can work with any continuous numeric data set like test scores or measurements. Make sure your data is in a single column with a clear header so it's easy to reference. Before we chart anything, sort your data in ascending order. Sorting isn't strictly required for calculations, but it makes a big difference when we plot the curve because the x values will flow from low to high, giving you that smooth bell shape without crisscrossing lines. Next, calculate the mean and the standard deviation, which define the center and spread of the bell curve. In an empty cell, use the average function to get the mean. For example, type e equals average your data range. Right below that, calculate the standard deviation. If your data represents the entire population, use lstdev.p your data range. If it's a sample from a larger group, use lstdev.s your data range. Choosing the right one helps your curve reflect the real variability. Now create the normal distribution values that we'll plot. In a new column, next to your sorted data, enter the norm dist formula for the first data point, x norm dist, x mean standard dev false. Here, x is the cell containing the first sorted value. Point the mean and standard dev arguments to the cells where you calculated them, and lock those references with dollar signs so they don't shift when you copy the formula down. Fill the formula down, the entire column, to generate a distribution value for each x. With that ready, select the sorted x values and the norm dist column together. This pairs each original data point with its corresponding height on the bell curve. Go to the Insert tab, choose Scatter, and then select Scatter with smooth lines. A scatter plot is ideal here because it treats your x values as continuous numeric data, letting the curve flow naturally instead of forcing categories along the axis. Finally, format the chart to highlight the meaningful range. Right-click the x-axis, open Format Axis, and set minimum and maximum bounds that frame your data well. A good guideline is to cover roughly 3 standard deviations on either side of the mean so the full bell is visible without excess empty space. While you're there, you can fine-tune tick marks and grid lines for readability. If the curve looks jagged, confirm your data is sorted and that the mean and standard deviation references are correct. That's it, your bell curve is ready to use and share.